What I want you to do is start transforming your imagination, transforming your passion, transforming what it is that you want. You know what you've got that we don't have? You guys have got youth. Youth. You can go out there and try any career that you like, because guess what? If you don't like it, you can try something else. If you don't like that, you can try something else. If you don't like the fourth career, you can try again. So are you ready, guys, for this afternoon? Because we're going to ask you to remove your blinkers, to feel unlimited in your imagination. I just want to say that I have absolutely been blown away and totally inspired by each one of you. The table I was with here, Olivia and Heidi, just dynamic stories. Olivia did her apprenticeship with disability, is that right? Heidi, you've done it with BET, is that right? And it's been transformational. I met Bethany. Where are you, Bethany? Bethany, I've just offered her a job.
So I was really excited before when we got in here, and then I heard that Sarina was entering the room. That was I was fangirling it back there. When I was working in the group training organisation, when I was signing up kids to apprentices, we actually used Sarina Russo's company. So anyone that entered into a training contract was in Sarina Russo's name. So to be able to put the face to the name, it was pretty bloody cool.
So really, it's who you meet. It's how you share your story. It's how you influence some influences and taking the moment, seizing the moment. You guys are going to soar with eagles and with stardom and with incredible capabilities. You are already fabulous. You are extraordinary. The way you've presented, the way you've thought it through, the way you've challenged each other. I want everyone to stand. I want you to celebrate as if you're already an entrepreneur, a super success. Again,